Okay, nail techs, here is a reel that I did back before Halloween. Right there, you'll see October 8th. Right there, 17,452 reactions, 588 comments. This is the reach that Facebook Reels can give you. See, nailtechevent.com. Nailtechevent.com is my business that 17,452 people have already seen and 588 made comments. And right down here, we've got 3.3 thousand shares. So all of those people are seeing my business website right there, nailtechevent.com in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, just on this one video alone. That's the kind of reach that Facebook Reels has. So if you are not using Facebook Reels, you need to start using it to get more reach for your business, because you can create little videos and always put your website right here on the front of your video, so that way whoever's eyes it comes in front of, they're gonna see your website. Everybody is related to a nail tech, has a nail tech friend, goes to a nail tech, or something with a nail tech. So all of my videos that I put on, I definitely see right there, I put nailtechevent.com right on the front. That way, even if it's a non-nail tech that is seeing this video, they'll be like, oh, I got to share that with my nail tech friend. I got to share that with my nail tech homie. I got to share that with my nail tech auntie. That's where these 3,000.3 shares come on into play. You see, so it doesn't have to just be like, if you're trying to reach customers, you want your website on here, do a short little video, less than 2 minutes long. 1 minute is great. People's attention spans are low, and you can gear it towards getting new customers. You can do it on a special you're having, something coming up for the holidays. You can put, even if you don't do like a continuous video, you can actually do photos one after another that will play along like a video, and it can show your work. So that way customers can see your website and see what your work looks like. And at the end, you want to put something for appointments, book here, and then give your phone number or email or website or whatever you want to give, so that way they can reach you. Does that make sense? All right, nail techs, get working on your nail business, because your nail skills may be dope, but you could be going out of business right now because you don't know the business side of promoting yourself. Peace out.